Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. And like I always say, it's all in the details. And this Cybertruck that I want to share with you today has a lot of them. Let's start off with the wrap. Inozatec metallic emerald green PPF color change. No more stainless steel. Take a look at this wrap. This color is quite special. Not only is it emerald green, but it's got this metallic flake in it. So when the sun hits it, this film really changes its colorway. Very special, especially if you love the shade of green. Now, this customer told us to go ahead and also smooth out all the bumpers, all the lower plastic trim, and paint it in high gloss black paint, which you see we've been doing a lot of lately. It really changes the whole look of the Cybertruck, makes it a little bit classier, makes it a little bit sportier, and not as rugged. So all the bumpers, front and rear, side skirts, wheel arches, they've all been smoothed out, meticulously treated, painted, high gloss black. Now, let's talk about the wheels and tires. This customer chose our 22-inch CT7 wheels, also finished in gloss black, obviously, because it's going to tie in with the lower trims. Now, let's look at this detail. The front calipers and the rear brake calipers have been painted to match the wrap in emerald green with metallic in it. And the Cybertruck logo in the Cyber font has been applied to the front brake caliper in white, which ties in with the white Foundation Series badges. Front two fenders, and in the rear in white. Now, we're not done here. Let's go inside this truck and let me show you everything that we did and all the details there. Check out this interior. So many details going on, so much customization. Let's start off with the fact that the front and rear seats have been reupholstered using Ferrari saddle leather hides. We import these hides from the tanneries in Europe that actually manufacture for Ferrari. So this is the true saddle hides. It's a beautiful shade of tan brown. It complements the exterior. And here we go again with the details, and let's tie it all in. Remember I showed you the white Foundation Series badges and I pointed out the Cyber font in white on the brake calipers? Well, the seat stitching is also in white, so that's all coming together. And the top dash pad, which is normally kind of like a textured plastic, has been reupholstered in Alcantara to match the headliner with a double white stitch right across the top. Perfect. Now, back to the Ferrari saddle. The 5 panels that are normally part of the decor that come with a Cybertruck, in this case they were white from Tesla, have also been reupholstered using the Ferrari saddle leather. So that's the lower dash and the 4 door panel inserts. Now, let's talk about the steering wheel. The selfish accessory, the one it's all about the driver, and let's tie in that look. Ferrari saddle top and bottom, green leather sides to tie in with the exterior wrap, and once again, white stitching. And to top it all off, the seat belts have been reupholstered using green webbing. So this truck is just absolutely magnificent from the exterior to the interior. It does not live in California. It was customized in California, and it's on its way back to Florida to the customer. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing Cybertruck videos coming your way soon.